Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you the new Serum blush collection, starting with my favorite, Little Lilac, a soft lavender pink, Venetian Rose, a vintage rose, Peachy Peach, a peachy orange, and Cherry Splash, a classic red. This formula is unique in which it looks like makeup but feels more like skincare. It's a true hybrid of both worlds. When I was first developing Little Lilac, it took 20 tries just to get this color right. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't too blue or too pink. As you can see, this color is truly unique. You're gonna feel like you just came out of a fairy tale. This is Peachy Peach. It's a beautiful color if you're in a mood for something fresh. Sometimes I'll apply Serum blush alone or under my makeup, but most of the times I like to apply it on top of makeup, and it doesn't mess up anything. And if I want to reduce the dewiness, I'll add a light touch of powder. Venetian Rose was actually inspired by my favorite tea. It's the most wearable color. If you're looking for a more grown-up pink, this is your shade. Cherry Splash looks intimidating at first, but once it's sheared out, it's very wearable. Surprisingly, this color was hard to develop because I didn't want it to lean too cool or too warm, but we were finally able to land on a true classic red that you see here. Serum blush was inspired by my love for both skincare and makeup. And this is the first collection. Rose Milk, Sunset Sky, Pink Nectar, and Soft Amethyst. And now we have Season 2. I'd love to hear your comments on any color you'd like for me to create in the future. Thank you for watching, and of course, good luck.